Compliance isn't optional, it's critical. And quality can't be secondary, it's essential. On-site inspections are crucial to maintaining these standards. Now, COVID has made a difficult job even harder. Site visits are dangerous or impossible, and video conferencing is a poor substitute. But there is a better alternative. Avatour is a new technology that brings you virtually on-site from anywhere. Unlike standard video conferencing, Avatour immerses you in 360 degrees, showing everything you need to see. Avatour helps maintain quality and compliance without physical presence, keeping people safe and sites secure. And Avatour will help contain costs as travel restrictions are lifted. Avatour. Be on-site from anywhere for quality, compliance, and safety. Visit avatour.co to learn more.